In today's video, I'm going to teach you insert video title here. If captions feel too small or too large while you're watching, this quick walkthrough will help you set the subtitle size to exactly what's comfortable for your eyes. Start by playing any YouTube video that has subtitles. You'll know a video supports captions if you see the CC icon on the player. If subtitles aren't already showing, click the CC button to turn them on, or choose a different video that includes captions. It's much easier to adjust size while you can see the text on screen, so keep the video playing as you go. Next, move your mouse to the bottom right corner of the video and click the Settings gear icon. This opens the Player Settings overlay without pausing your video, so you can preview changes in real time. In the Settings panel, hover over Subtitles CC to reveal more options, then click Options. This is where YouTube gives you control over how captions look. You'll see a section for size. You can use the Size menu or pick one of the preset percentages to adjust instantly. When you choose a preset like 50%, 100%, or 150%, you're telling YouTube how large the caption text should be compared to the default. For example, 100% is the standard size, 50% makes captions smaller to take up less space, and 150% or higher makes them easier to read from a distance. As you click different sizes, watch the subtitles on the video update immediately. This live preview helps you find the sweet spot without guesswork. A couple of tips as you experiment. Aim for a size that stays readable without covering important on-screen details or overlapping with other interface elements. If you're watching on a large monitor or sitting farther from the screen, a bigger preset can reduce eye strain. If the captions are blocking graphics or lower third text, try stepping down one level until the view feels balanced. And if you ever want to go back to the original look, select 100% to reset the size. That's all you need to do. Play a video with subtitles, open the Settings gear, go to Subtitles/CC, click Options, and choose a size preset or use the Size menu. The change applies instantly, so you can keep watching without interruption. Take a moment to test a few presets with different videos and find the one that feels best for you. Clear, comfortable captions make a big difference in how enjoyable and accessible your viewing experience can be.